నోట్ల రద్దుపై నాగపూర్లో చిదంబరం మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ప్రస్తుతం లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Why have you done this exercise? I think the people of this country must be sensitized to the fact that this is an assault on the poor. This has broken the back of 45 crore people who depend on a daily wage and a daily income. With a completely thoughtless, meaningless move by the government, and ultimately it may yield no results whatsoever. I'll take a few questions.
Sir, is it legal? Is demonetization legal?
Well, that matter is now pending in the Supreme Court. Cases have been filed to say that this cannot be done except by a law made by Parliament. That question has to be decided by the Supreme Court. Since the matter is pending in the Supreme Court, I do not want to offer any opinion on the legal question.
Sir, I believe there is the difference of opinion amongst politicians. The difference of opinion amongst politicians has been that some feel that the way this decision has been implemented is all wrong, while there are others who feel that the entire decision has been wrong. So I believe from what you said, you feel that this entire exercise shouldn't have been undertaken?
See, if the objective was to remove black money, to prevent counterfeiting of notes, and to stop terrorist funding, there are ways of going about it. We have no quarrel with these objectives. If you wanted to withdraw high denomination notes, like Europe has withdrawn Euro 500, if you wanted to withdraw the 500 and 1000 rupee notes, you could have withdrawn it over a period of 1 year or 2 years and said, in this country, in future, 100 rupee note is the highest denomination note. There would be no problem at all. But your objectives are not being served by this. I asked 3 questions. Has it stopped corruption? You found that Kandla Port Trust engineer and that military engineering service engineer and that chief engineer in Andhra Pradesh are taking bribes in 2000 rupee notes. Has it stopped black money? All the seizures that are taking place is all in 2000 rupee notes. You found 2000 rupee notes and the bodies of the 2 terrorists who were killed in Bandipur. Therefore, this is not the way to stop black money or corruption or terrorist funding. The objectives are not being served by this. The poor people are being punished.
So as you said that poor people are facing problems because of this, we all are facing actually. But if you see the local body polls results in Maharashtra, they were clearly in favor of BJP. So is it the failure of the opposition to take this whole issue to the people, or the success of the BJP who convince them despite taking this illogical decision that this is the right way? Because we have also seen people commenting we are doing it for the country. So what do you have to say on this?
I don't think you can draw such conclusions. What is the Maharashtra poll result? Congress got 727. BJP got 870. The difference is about 143. 870 and 727 is of course 1 and 2. I'm not denying that. But that doesn't mean the people have voted in favor of demonetization. Secondly, local body elections are not fought on these issues. This is one among many, many issues. I don't think you can draw any conclusions from local body elections, and I don't think the Congress's performance is anything to be belittled. 870 and 727, I think it's a very creditable performance, especially when we know that the ruling party always has an advantage in local body elections.
So what do you think will be the long-term economic impact?
No, I don't know who's calling, who's asking.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So what do you think will be the long-term economic impact because of it, and why do you think that the urban cooperatives have been banned, have been banned?
This question you must ask them. The Supreme Court has asked the question, why have you discriminated against the District Central Cooperative Bank? They are supposed to come back with an answer. So I really can't answer the second question. The first question, the long-term impact will certainly be negative for the GDP. You already see that in the
ఇక